A lot of you have been asking me on Instagram how I got my views 2 million plus views, 500k plus views, 300k plus views, and it's not luck. It's pure system and research that is involved in this, a step-by-step process that I follow to create these viral pieces of content. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Anu, and in today's video, I'm going to share you a step-by-step routine that I follow in order to create my content that goes viral. So let's get started. First, let's be honest, viral content is not random. It's a recognition pattern that you have to follow and see on your Instagram page on what's working and what's not working. And not only on your page, but your competitor's page as well. So I'm going to share you how exactly to do it, because if one reel blows up, usually there are more 50 similar videos that have already worked well. So hence, a competitor research is very important. So the first step is searching my niche. Now it is very obvious that the content that I am creating, there are multiple more videos on it. So I have to research it thoroughly before creating the content. So for example, if my niche is around travel, I will use the keywords that are related to travel and will search on the Instagram search bar, so that there will be multiple profiles, making content on the same niche. For example, Vrindavan vlog, temple vlogs, POV Vrindavan, all these are keyword examples that I use usually while creating content. So I search it prior to creating content on the Instagram search bar. Now I only select the profiles that have like consistent posting, that gets multiple, viral reels. So these are the type of profiles that I select from that complete keyword search pattern that is involved. So make sure you also see these metrics while picking those competitor profiles, that is getting high views, posting consistently. Also, I forgot that having the same target audience as you is also very important while you search for the competitor profiles. So make sure that your and your competitors target audience are also very same. Also, one more thing, like while you are searching for the competitor profiles or the content, make sure that you don't copy, you just recognize those patterns and create content on it. So what you have to analyze the most is firstly the hook pattern, secondly text on the screen, the music they are using, and the type of visual that they are using. Now, once you have collected all the information, go to ChatGPT, and here's where ChatGPT will become your content assistant. So now, whatever the information you have in your hand, paste it on the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you similar ideas or generate similar viral ideas for your content. So for example, if I want to create content on Vrindavan, I will write that please generate similar hooks in similar pattern for my Vrindavan travel content. And then ChatGPT will give you a ton of ideas, 10 ideas, 50 ideas. You just mention it and you will get it, and you can create content on the similar topics. So some of the prompts that I have used are, firstly, analyze why this reel has performed well. So this gives me a very better clarity on why the competitor's reel has performed well. And secondly, I also use this prompt that give me hook ideas in the similar pattern. Or maybe you can also write like turn this topic into a POV style reel. So you can use the same topic of your competitor but in a POV style. So this is also something that you can use. So ChatGPT basically helps me to generate the hook ideas, hook variations. Second, it also helps in improving the storytelling part. Third, reframe the same topic in different ways. Also, viral content is like a lot about relatable topics and the emotional way of presenting it. So whatever you go through, it has to be very emotionally relatable to people, and this is not something that ChatGPT can do. It can obviously share you ideas, it can share you hooks, but the manner of that emotional pattern that you have gone through in that particular storytelling part, that you have to put forward. And that is something which is also very important while creating viral content pieces. And with the relatable content, it is also very important that there's a strong hook in the first 2 seconds of the video. So this is something that obviously ChatGPT will help you in. And two more important things are, as I told you, the emotional payoff and also easy to understand visuals are also very important. So make sure your visuals are also very clean and look presentable while you are sharing the pieces on Instagram. So ChatGPT helps me with the words, research helps me with the direction, and emotion and experience comes from me. And also a very important and golden trick that I use is all these videos that have gone viral are were posted on trial reels. So still, if you haven't used the trial reels feature on your Instagram, you are really wasting your time, because trial reels are a gold mine and it works really well. So if you are a creator who feels stuck, or is looking forward to create more viral pieces of content, then trial reels is your thing. Go for it and create content on it, because that will really help you. Start studying what is already working for you. And if you want, comment me content and I'll create more videos breaking down my entire process of creating content. So until then, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.